We don't sit under gidigba on top with government matter how it take the beef for we state. Edo state government wey dey under the administration of Ogbonge Governor Godwin Obaseki, e don launch with State Security Architecture Trust Fund and with state new security architecture, the one wey be say things go come sweet well on top how people go fit dey sleep, make dey hide, dey close well. The one wey they can't give the name Operation Wabaizigan. That na operation say they wan sweep all the criminal activity comot for we state. Governor Godwin Obaseki greet everybody wey tanda gidigba put for this launch of the security architecture for we state. He can't welcome them gidigba put on top this program. He talk say this one a better part of his administration. Unto say body sweet am say this launch it go make all the people wey dey with security matter for we state. Na army o, na PUWOL, na police, all of them go come fit join body together to make sure say security matter e waka well for we state. The talk say security matter for we state no be something wey in dey take play. As e be say how people go take dey safe wey they go fit sleep for their house, close their two eye well, wake up when they wan wake up. Na im be the main thing wey dey the mind of we state government to do. On behalf of this new security architecture trust fund, the one wey be say they don launch, na im come make we state government show wey body put come commit 2 billion naira for wetin oyinbo dey call seed fund. That na money to take start this matter make e waka well for we state security system.
I feel totally gratified in announcing that our new security architecture will address the long overdue challenge of redefining the roles and the relationships between the various security agencies in the state. We therefore decided that the new security architecture is something we must do as a matter of priority and importance. Indeed, we are making an equivocal statement about our commitment to improve our vital institutions and the processes on which these institutions are based. Right from my inauguration, I made it very clear that we will be fixated on a collective desire to build a modern and people-oriented public service where efficiency, productivity, and service delivery are the hallmarks of our modern government, a government that is easily accessible to all our people. I have declared in the past that I will support the police and other state-promoted and state-sponsored agencies in their various capacities, including helping them with the infrastructure to make them function efficiently. On behalf of the Edo State government, I am proud to announce to you that the sum of 2 billion naira has been set aside in a 2019 proposed budget as seed fund for the Edo State Security Trust Fund, which we are launching today.
Assistant Inspector General of Police, AIG Aigboje Imokwede, he sef can't give better gbosa to we state governor, Governor Obaseki, on top in Chowe body put for security matter for we state, as them launch this new state security trust fund and security architecture, the one wey they call Wabaiziga. He can't talk say in go join hand with the state government to make sure say this one waka well, unto say he don't join hand with many other places. And say private sector, time don't reach for them to the Chowe body put with waiting with government they do to make sure say Edo State it tanda gidigba well the way other states say they waka for security matter. On top the security money, Nine Conte dropped 200 million naira to the security project to make sure say waka well. Nine can call every other person where they will state, say me all of them to throw away body put for this Ogbonge project where we state government where they start so.
Today we launch the Edo State Security Trust Fund as well as the apparatus of security and peace that this trust fund has been set up to establish for our dear state. Let me say that it is universally acknowledged that peace comes at a cost. There is a price to peace. Indeed, it is said that there is no price too high to pay for peace. Our state governor and his government, elected by you, has seized the bull by the horns and leveraging on best practices, particularly the success achieved in Lagos State through the establishment of a similar framework, has decided to ensure that peace rules in our state, not just today, but forever. having participated in the events leading to the launch of the Lagos State Security Trust Fund, I am aware that this is not a process that you leave to government alone. This is a process that involves all of us, particularly the private sector. Indeed, we know that the enabling environment for doing business is critical to profits in the private sector. On behalf of myself and the many institutions I represent, our launching contribution to the Edo State Security Trust Fund is 200 million naira.
Commissioner of Police for Oyo State, Johnson Babatunde Kokumo, in greet with State Governor, he praise him for all the ogbonge work wey they do, and now body sweet am unto say Governor Obaseki dey throway body put for the things wey concern the police wey dey with state. He talk about the police marine, the one wey Governor Godwin Obaseki wey he do. He talk about the patrol vehicles, the one wey he commission for them, and many other ogbonge things wey Governor Obaseki don throway body put on top police matter.
On assumption of duty, I was faced with some nasty challenges in Edo State, ranging from kidnapping, cultism, armed robbery, etc. The kidnappers were using the advantage of the forest. Knowing too well, navigating the forest may be a bit difficult, considering the equipment available to the security agencies. But interestingly, the executive governor of Edo State has always been there for us. When it comes to matters of tracking criminals that have taken to flight into fake forest, is always there assisting us to provide the necessary wherewithal to ensure that we track the criminals to exactitude, to locating them where they are. The governor has gone ahead to ensure that equipment with which the Marine Police will function well are equally provided. Equipment including gunboats that are armored and non-armored gunboats. As I'm talking to you, we have on our waterways the Marine Police patrolling, and we have some components of the military, the Army, and the Navy. May I equally add here that one of the weekends, on about 2 weekends now, we've had the opportunity of going on surveillance with His Excellency in the gunboats with us. We have moved on the waterways for reasonable periods of time, and this we did on occasions not less than 2 weekends. This we did with His Excellency. I wish to use this medium to thank the Governor of Edo State once again, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, for his unflinching commitment to security and his untiring support for the police, as evidenced in today's commissioning of the patrol vehicles. In other spheres, in other areas, when the governor goes to commission houses, hospitals, and other projects, they refer to him as wait-and-see governor. For the purpose of today, commissioning of the new security architecture, those of us in the security realm would rather prefer to have a prefix of watch-and-see governor.
Now here we see the Tory reach on top of all the plans where we state government don't put for ground to make sure say people wait there we state then sleep well. On top the new security architecture where we state Tanda Gidigba, on top the trust fund. Now Nimat Shagumo na in the end the story given now on top T Live Media, all the matter the one way concern Edo State government and how it be for we states.